This screencast is about the Outcomes Exited Without Exit Ratings TRAD report. The Exited Without Exit Ratings report is one of 6 TRAD reports related to the global child outcomes. You can use this report to get information about children who exited from your program after at least 6 months of service who did not have exit ratings on the 3 global child outcomes in T-Kids. To access the report, select Outcomes Exited Without Exit Ratings from the first drop-down menu. To select the time frame for the report, first select a start date in the field labeled From, and an end date in the field labeled To. The report will include all children who exited from your program after at least 6 months of service who do not have exit ratings on the 3 global child outcomes in T-Kids. Select a format for the report. All formats present the same information. Click the Generate Report button. When you open the report, you will see a table or spreadsheet. Near the top of the report on row 3, if you chose the Excel format, you see the date and time the report was generated, followed by the number of rows returned. This is the number of children who exited during the selected time period who do not have associated exit ratings, even though they received services for at least 6 months. The spreadsheet has 15 columns. The first 2 are for the child's last and first names. The third column is for the child's middle initial. This will be blank if no middle initial was entered into T-Kids. The fourth and fifth column show the child's T-Kids case ID and child ID numbers. The sixth and seventh columns contain optional local information, the office ID and the local ID number, if you chose to enter those. The eighth column shows the date the child was enrolled. The ninth column indicates the date the child transferred into your program. The 10th column shows the date the child's enrollment ended. The 11th column shows the number of months the child received services. The next 2 columns include the first and last names of the assigned service coordinator at the time of exit. The 14th column shows the child's date of birth, and the final column contains the reason the child exited from your program.